So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your profile picture here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, go to the home screen here, go to the top right and press on the profile icon. Once you're here, I want you to tap on your profile picture or the pencil. And once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and tap on your profile picture once again or tap on the camera to go to the next little bit. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select take a new photo or choose an existing photo. Just for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. But once you guys update your photo, go to the bottom, press on save. And then your profile, of course, will be updated accordingly. So that is how to change your profile picture of your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.